Hi everyone, I'm John Barrett, a Surface App consultant with Microsoft, and today I will walk you through everything you need to know about configuring Edge browser for Teams Run on Windows touchboard devices. Before you begin, make sure the following prerequisites are met. You're using Microsoft Teams Run on Windows touchboard device. The device is signed in with a Microsoft Teams Run Pro license assigned to its resource account. The Teams Run on Windows application version 5.4 or later is installed. Now let's configure Microsoft Edge browser settings using Microsoft Teams Run Pro Management Portal. Sign in to Microsoft Teams Run Management Portal. Select the touchboard device you want to configure. Go to the Settings tab, then scroll to the Device Settings section. Microsoft Edge Browser On-Off toggle, disable or disable Microsoft Edge Browser. When enabled, Microsoft Edge Browser icons appear on the device home screen. It is off by default. Start page or pages. Set up one or multiple websites to open automatically when the browser launches. Separate multiple URLs with a space. Inactivity timeout. Define how long the browser stays idle before closing automatically. Choose a value between 0 and 100 minutes. A value of 0 means no timeout. The default is 10 minutes. Once you have made your changes, don't forget to apply them to activate the new settings. You have successfully configured Microsoft Edge browser for your certified Teams Run on Windows touchboard device. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you have any questions, check out our Microsoft Learn page article for more information. See you next time.